got, y'all. We're on the way. The lady, the 2 puppies, the rest. The one didn't make it. And the other one was the runt that died. I didn't see that. What are you doing? T-shirt here?
Here lies Lucy.
Can't hear you.
Here lies Lucy and Cookie. Even though Lucy didn't make it, he still would have been an amazing dog, and I bet he would have lived an amazing life. We love you and want you to know that we will always love you. Cookie tried her best to stay alive. She was the runt along with her brother. She was a fighter, and I am happy to say that I got to know you. I am also happy that I got to hold you one last time before you departed. I will always love you, and you will not be forgotten. You both are still family, and I love that we still had you. And I'm happy that we still had you here today. But things happen, and there is nothing we can do about it. Rest in peace.
Yeah, and as you see with the pictures, everybody wrote a little message on the I guess you call it the casket that I made for him. Sealed it up so no water would get in it. Maybe somehow find it down the line. Yeah, those are the 2 that didn't make it. I called them, they called them Lucius and Cookie. I called them Pinky and Little Brown Brown. But the other 8 are healthy. So yeah, don't forget to check out those videos. Show them some love, y'all. Thank you. This content was brought to you by 9 Finger Gaming.